Hello friends, so hope you're doing well. In this video, we'll be learning how to create a form via HTML coding. So for every business requires data about the customer's users in order to provide them product and services, and forms are a mean of gathering information for the users. So in the next slides, we'll be learning about the tags and the attributes which we'll use for creating a form. So first of all, we need to create a form using form tag. That is a container tag, which means it will have an opening as well as closing tag. The tags which are associated with form tag are input tag, text area, select an option. So what is text area tag? So when we have to gather text inputs which is larger in size, then we use text area tag, and which is also container tag. So it requires closing as well as opening tag. So for the select an option tag, when we have to create a drop down list to provide choices to the customer, we use select an option tag. First, we will open the select tag and write the different options we have to give to the customers, and then we'll close select tag also. So for the input tag, there are different attribute values to it, and how we're gonna use is it will be more clear if we'll solve a question related to this form. So if we have to create a text form in a text thing in a form, so we'll write input type is equals to text. Radio is for the bullet points. If we have to create some bullet points in the form, we'll write input type is equals to radio. If we have to create some check boxes, then we'll write input type is equals to checkbox. Like at the end of the form, there will be a submit or reset button. So we'll create that submit and reset button by input type is equals to submit and reset, and all these text radio checkbox which text should be in inverted commas. For the password, we're gonna create password tag. For the file, if we have to upload a file in a form like a resume or a CV, then we're gonna type input type is equals to file. For the number, date, time. So we'll solve the question of a form, and it will be more clear to you guys. So this is the question which we're going to solve today in this video. So here are the things. First is the heading of the form, online order form, and then horizontal lines are being provided here. Then the line and first name, last name, address, city, state, pin. This is the checkbox, and again a sentence. This is the text area. And here, how would you like to pay for this? We'll provide different options to the customer. And this is the submit and reset button. So one by one, we're gonna learn how to create this. So basic thing is doc type, then HTML, head contains title. The title which I had given to this form is forms, and then title close, head tag close. And now we'll open our body tag. As told already that to create a form, we need to open the form tag first. And I had showed you in the question that the heading will be in H1 form, and the heading is online order form. Okay, online order form. Then we'll close our heading tag. And in the question, it is provided with a horizontal line. We're going to provide a horizontal line for this. And then we have to start making this. So I'll create a paragraph tag first. So I'll open p tag, that stands for paragraph tag. And I'll write the sentence which is given, please enter your full name and address for billing purpose. Okay, so I had already saved this file. So like for every time I'll show you what are the results for this. So here the online order form, then horizontal line, and please enter your full name and address for the billing purpose. So in the question now, we're gonna provide this first name, last name, and the text area boxes. So type first name, and then we're gonna use our input tag. Input type is equals to, the first name will be in text form, the input tag will be text, and we're gonna close this. Okay, and then also we will provide like size of the text, that should be size should be 20. These things will be provided in the question itself. And max length means the maximum attribute which you can the maximum letters which you can write in this form will be 15 letters. I'm providing with a 15 letter box, so max length will be 15. Now same with the last name, we'll type last name and open our input tag. Input type is equals to, again this will be text, and again I'm going to provide the size with the equals to 20, and the max length should be gonna be like 8 or something. Close it. We'll save this once and we'll see the result. Refresh this, and these are the, so see the difference is it's coming in a line only, it's not coming like this. So what we have to do is we have to break the line. So for breaking the line we use the tag br, so twice, because we need more difference. Now again save this and go back to our question results. So yeah, done. Now we have to provide with the address, city, state and pen. So we'll repeat the same thing. Write address, and then provide input type. Input type is equals to text. Close this. For the state, I'm going to provide the size also for this. Max length will be 20. Now state input type will be again text. Close this. Now what we're gonna do is, okay, so we have to create city also. City input type is equals to text, size 15. Close this. Then we're gonna provide for the pens. So here we have to change the input type, that will be of number, because pins will be in number. So we're gonna write number here. Okay. Let's save this file and see the results. Again we didn't break the line here, so we're gonna have to break the line. After last name we have to break lines. Okay. Now in the question we have to provide horizontal line. We're gonna close our p tag and have to provide a horizontal line then, and then we have to create a checkbox and we have to write check if shipping address is different from the mailing address. So how to create a checkbox? Already told you that input type is equals to checkbox, inverted commas and closed. What we're gonna have to write is check if shipping address is different from mailing address. Okay, control plus Z, and here we have to provide with the HR line also, horizontal line. Okay, control plus L. We have to see the results too. Okay, it's done now. Now again what we have to do is we have to create this text area box. So for this we'll simply write text area, and the text which we have to provide, and also we have to specify the text area. The calls will be of 50, and Ron I'm providing here with 3. And what we have to write in the text area is check if you enter shipping address here if different from above. We'll close our text area. We'll save this file once and check out the results. Okay, so done with this also. Now we have to create this. Please enter the codes for the projects which you want. Again we're gonna enter HR for the horizontal line, and then we have to write a line that is please enter the code of the product you wish to purchase. And here we have to enter the code. That means input type will be of number. Okay, again we have to provide with the horizontal line. Let's save this one and check out the results. Now what we are left with is to provide these last 3 things. How would you like to pay for this? And we have to give options here. So I'm opening my paragraph tag here, and the question is how would you like to pay for this? Question mark. And here we have to create options. Then we will open our select tag and write the different options which we have to provide. That is first MasterCard, option 2 is Visa, option 3 is Discover, option 4 that we are providing is American Express. Okay, and then we'll close our select tag. And we have to provide with please enter card number, semicolon, and the input type will be number. equals to number. Then we'll close this. Have to provide horizontal line after this. And then we have to write, please take care that everything is filled out correctly. Then click submit order. Okay, so let's save this and check out the results. So see, here different options are available that we can choose. Okay, and submit order. What we are left with is the submit and reset button. So what we're gonna do is we'll open our paragraph tag because the alignment is left. So we have to provide the alignment is equals to left, and same if the alignment is right, we're gonna write it as right, and for the center we're gonna write it as center. And then the inputs which I told you earlier, input type, sorry, input type is equals to submit, sorry, is equals to submit, close, and then again input type is equals to reset, close, and then we'll close our P alignment here. We'll close our form. We'll close our body tag. And finally, we'll close our HTML tag. Okay. Now save. See the results. So yeah, we are done with this question. The same. We were asked to prepare this form, and we had prepared the same. I already told you how to save a file of HTML, but let's once again see this. Go to the file. I'm gonna save as on my desktop. We have to save the file as like file name I'm providing forms with an extension called .html, and we have to change save as type as all files and then save. Yeah, so this is all for this video. Hope the form topic is very much clear to you guys. Please practice. Thank you.